Don't wake me, I'm scheming. She said, please don't wake me. Yeah. See what I mean? Shorty crazy, sexy, cool, but TLC digging the scene. Red light specials in the room. Always tell me not to change, keep it real and stay true. Doubles doubling like the changes happen only when due. Yeah. The keys in my crib, you dig it's all me. Switching up on my whips and tint, it's all me. Doubled up on my chips and clips, it's all me. You see that ass on that chick, I hate that's all me. Double, I got a bad when we be sliding through the streets, spinning chips, flipping whips. I grip my heat, she grip my meat, which is cool cause I'm no fool. Rated high in school, she use her head to get ahead. The brain so good, her noodles loose. She gon' be here in a minute, y'all should probably meet. But please, don't have to tell the whole world that you street, yeah. You said what? Hold on, bro. Let me tell you. See? Right there. I hear you, nigga, but my shorty like the street. She know Double's a hood, nigga. She just loves the way I speak. Keep it G, bro, keep it B. We gon' do a meet and greet. Babe coming over too, and she just love the D on me. Since she running late but gunning, fam, you need to see the whip. Black on black, both phones react. Man, I can't believe this shit. She got the keys in my crib, you think it's all me. Switching up on my whips and tint, it's all me. Doubled up on my chips and clips, it's all me. You see that ass on that chick, I hit that soul.
Yeah, that's dope. Up next, we got that N-Cube, Your Life.
N-Cube, yo. Don't wait for a move to be made. You gotta make a move, you know. It's all about life. Let's do this. Your life's what you really make it. You gotta stand up and fight. It's your destiny, you gotta take it. Your life's what you really make it. You gotta stand up and fight. It's your destiny, you gotta take it. Don't make them say, where were you when your mates were on their way? I change can't be made until one I change is done. Too quick to complain like one mind the only one. Sharing all the tears over these years, and it was the same, nobody really cares. You feel like you are losing, not so hopeless like your wife battle for. You already decide, like a little baby you cry. River tears was flowing down from your eyes, while panicking about the sons of life. You gotta plan the way out to survive, putting on your mind and ready to fight. It doesn't really matter how down you are. You have to rise and swim about the tides. From this commotion, from this grieving emotion, and the eagle in oceans over the nation. From this commotion, from the grieving emotion, and the eagle in oceans over the nation. You got to rise and swim above the tides. You got to rise and swim above the tides. Your life's what you really make it. You gotta stand up and fight. It's your destiny, you gotta take it. Your life what you really make it. You gotta stand up and fight. It's your destiny, you gotta take it. Don't make them say, where were you when your mates were on their way? A circumstance could be caused by oneself. A situation could happen through another cell, or be through the activities of the government or that spare. It doesn't really matter who fall a victim and took the L. That one on me say that you remain in the floor. You can bring yourself up and break through a new door. It's a survival fight, you gotta fight. Cause living a life like fighting a war. My God, no from bobo, turn your muscle. Make you triumph through the struggle. It doesn't matter how down you are. Got to rise and swim our body dies from this commotion, from this giving emotion, and the eagle notions over the nation. From this commotion, from this giving emotion, and the eagle notions over the nation. You got to rise and swim our body tight. Got to rise and swim my body tight. Your life's what you really make it. You gotta stand up and fight. It's your destiny, you gotta take it. Your life's what you really make it. You gotta stand up and fight. It's your destiny, you gotta take it. Don't make them say, where were you when your mates were on their way?
It's Silas, the marvelous producer.
Yo, it's your boy Dub C, CEO of Dub C's Entertainment Network. Man, when I'm just chilling, trying to relax, I just need some entertainment away from what I'm doing, I tune in to Boss Lady Radio. She got something for everybody. Hit the chat room, y'all. Let's jam, Boss Lady. Do that.
That make you moan, Mr. Dub C's. Let's get it.
I wanna know, can you make you scream and make you moan? If not, I think you really need to leave alone. Do your eyes light up when you step in the room? Or do the sunny days turn into a daily game? I wanna know, can you make you scream and can you make you moan? If not, I think you need to leave the lame alone. Do your eyes light up when you step in the room? Or do the sunny days turn to a daily game? Girl, it's time for you to reach for the skies, not for a stick up, but for the enjoyment. Once the match sticks up, you can say what you want to your fake ass friends. They'll know that you're lying, cause they've already been in my pleasure dome when I was all alone. For the ones that don't know what I mean inside my home, from the front to the back. And as a matter of fact, I love the way your body reacts to the attentive hands of a real live man, just playing your body parts like a one-man band. And as I touch a place where you're not existing, it's the sounds you make I never heard from instruments. I wanna know, can you make you scream and make you moan? If not, I think you need to leave the lame alone. Do your eyes light up when you step in the room? Or do the sunny days turn to a daily gloom? I wanna know, can you make you scream and can you make you moan? If not, I think you need to leave the lame alone. Do your eyes light up when you step in the room? Or do the sunny days turn to a daily gloom? You start to moan loud when it start to enter. Then you start gasping for air once I'm all up in you. I stretch open, now you know I'm in the center. Like putting a 2x4 in a place used to have splinters. Make you feel like it's summer when you know it's winter. And I won't be rough, girl, you know I promise gentle. And no lies or deception, no need to spin ya. It's like sex and more sex, and on your way I send ya. Your man always says that he's finta. You end up finishing yourself using your finger. With him, you're still nothing but a pretender. But when you're with me, your body surrender. You keep making you feel like cars with bad fenders. But you love it when doves see real in you. Reaching your climax through the sexual mental. Well satisfied, now that's the way I sing. I wanna know, can you make you scream and make you moan? And now you really need to leave the lame alone. Do your eyes light up when you step in the room? Or do the sunny days turn to a daily gloom? I wanna know, can you make you scream, can you make you moan? And now you really need to leave the lame alone. Do your eyes light up when you step in the room? Or do the sunny days turn to a daily gloom? I wanna know, can you make you scream, can you make you moan? And now you really need to leave the lame alone. Do your eyes light up when you step in the room? Or do the sunny days turn to a daily gloom? I wanna know, you make you scream, can you make you moan? And now you really need to leave the lame alone. Do your eyes light up when you step in the room? Or do the sunny days turn to a daily gloom? I wanna know, you make you scream, can you make you moan? And now you really need to leave the lame alone. Do your eyes light up when you step in the room? Or do the sunny days turn to a daily gloom? I wanna know, you make you scream, can you make you moan?
DJ Hen, knee slapping, twerk. Another exclusive.
Right knee, left knee, bring it down low. Throw your hat in the air, toe tapping on the floor. Scooting around like kicking up dirt. Put your drinks in the air, do the knee slapping twerk. Right knee, left knee, bring it down low. Throw your hat in the air, toe tapping on the floor. Scooting around like kicking up dirt. Put your drinks in the air, do the knee slapping twerk. Twerk, 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 twerk. Do the knee slapping twerk. Twerk, 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 twerk. Do the knee slapping twerk. Right knee, left knee, bring it down low. Throw your hat in the air, toe tapping on the floor. Scooting around like kicking up dirt. Put your drinks in the air, do the knee slapping twerk.
Just gotta work and I really need a drink. Been a long day, I don't really wanna think. Going into town in my big black truck. Maybe find me some girls looking really, really drunk. Walk in the bar, seen them all turning up. Saw a cute little guy trying to try my luck. I asked her for a dance and she gave me a smirk. Let me show you how to do the knee slapping twerk.
Right knee, left knee, bring it down low. Throw your hat in the air, toe tapping on the floor. Scooting around like kicking up dirt. Put your drinks in the air, do the knee slapping twerk. Right knee, left knee, bring it down low. Throw your hat in the air, toe tapping on the floor. Scooting around like kicking up dirt. Put your drinks in the air, do the knee slapping twerk.
That Freddie B, child support blues. What's up with that?
She walked into the courtroom. Gotta say, her skirt was kinda high. The judge looked over his glasses at them thighs and said, "Son, kiss your money goodbye." And then she started to tell the story with water coming down from her eyes. I looked around the courtroom, I declare, everybody started to cry. In such a cold feeling of impending doom came all up in the room. I had the child support. Yeah, let me tell you, it's something you just can't lose. No. Before you leave her, it might be. She better keep her. Yeah. She started telling her story with words I really did not want to hear. She said, "You ain't done nothing for me and these kids since you've been back up in here." And then she went on